DeskTime project section, an easy way how to manage your projects and tasks. In this section you can create new projects and tasks, connect your project management tools to synchronize projects and tasks with DeskTime, filter projects with groups and members filter. Search your projects by name, date, name of the integration, number of tasks or by the owner. Edit, delete or archive projects with these buttons. Open project to see tasks, add or edit hourly rates, add or edit time and cost estimates, edit or assign members to the project, and much more. Now, let's see how to start tracking time on your created or integrated projects. Find your DeskTime Productivity app on your taskbar. With your right mouse click, open the menu bar. Choose to search a project or pick one of your recently used projects or tasks. Choose a project and task and start the timer. Press stop when you're finished or switch to another project or task. Find all your project reports in DeskTime Reports section.